Alright, first things first. I've never seen the lake like this. It's very full and it makes it very, very difficult to navigate. So I'm just gonna fish from right here a little bit and just see if I get lucky, but I really don't think I'm gonna catch anything. Oh, there's the fish. Oh, got one! Oh, that's awesome. Oh, there's a log. Whoo! Dang. Alright. Ooh, he's nice. Cutthroat. Oh. Nice. I can't believe I caught a fish. Look at that beauty. So strip the skin off and then come back for the fins so you can pull them backwards. I'm going to make a lemon rosemary cream sauce in this cup using the titanium G2 5-inch Firebox, burning wood. And then I'm going to poach my trout in this cup. I'm going to curl it in there, and I think I can make it fit. I'm going to use the cup adapter, the boil plate. Pop that right in there, then it can exhaust out both sides. But I'm going to set up the fire sticks to support my cup. I want the handle to clear, so I think that's probably about right. I'm going to set this down by this hole down here. Light it from this side. I want to put the fish in and then just have it simmer at a really low temperature. Oops. Dang it. Try not to get messy. I think that's good right there. Then we can go ahead and add our rosemary. Let's see, I'm going to save some for just putting on top of everything as a garnish. Then the ever important salt and pepper. Go ahead and put our sauce on. We want to aim those handles off to the side. We don't want them to be above the exhaust port. And then we'll stir this and keep it moving. Okay, I think that cream's hot enough. We can go ahead and put the trout into it. If we can get this in there, it is definitely going to be a tight fit. I just thought if it will fit, then it will be a pretty cool experiment. Because if you could just cook your trout in your cup, for those real ultralight, real minimalist type trips, then that would be pretty cool. Let's make sure the cavity is full of the cream sauce. And then we'll just keep that on a really low temperature. This trout is actually cooking real fast. Trout is such a tender meat that it really cooks fast. Let's close this so I can work from this side. I want to see if I can turn this. Let's see if I can just roll it over. Ooh, meat's starting to come apart. I need to be super gentle. Let's run it like that for just a short little bit. Okay, let's go ahead and transfer this onto a plate. I just want to see if I can pull the bones out. Oh, look at that, how tender it is. Look at that just fall off. Ready to go ahead and finish everything up. Alright, let's taste this, see how it turned out. Ooh. I don't think I'm going to put the rest of this rosemary on there. I think there's plenty of rosemary flavor in there, and I don't want to overdo it. I will get these lemon seeds out though. Alright, let's see how this tastes. Very tender, definitely not overcooked. That is really good. Very nice. That is yummy. No?